Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over what is express wash or 60-minute wash. If you come over here and look at our dishwasher, we have a speed 60, we have a normal, we have a heavy cycle, an auto cycle. This one's labeled as a 1-hour wash. So we're here to pretty much go over that. What is speed wash? So pretty much what speed wash is it kicks everything into all full out go. It's all going live as fast and as hard as it can. Now what that does is it makes it less efficient than the Energy Star rating. Because it's a quick wash and like I said, everything's just full go live, it's not really conserving energy or anything like that, but it's going to get your dishes really clean, rinse them really well. And it's pretty much used if you're in a hurry, last minute thing, you're about to run out the door, you're worried about whatever. Quick wash is perfect, but like I said, the drawback on that is going to be that it's not energy efficient. So if efficiency is what you're looking for, you might want to steer away from using your 60-minute cycle, or if you really don't care, or it's not really important to you, just go ahead and use it. But yeah, that's what a quick wash is, 60-minute wash or an hour wash. That's what it does, and that's all I have for you guys today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.